Hi everyone, how to solve this problem? The problem is 5 plus 5 into 3 minus 14. From this problem we can use BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Here A multiplication, A addition and A subtraction. At first we can use multiplication. So we can write 5 plus 5 multiplication to 3 is 15 minus 14. Next step we can use addition. So we can write 5 plus 15 is 20 minus 40. And last step we can use subtraction. So 20 minus 14 is 6. So 6 is the answer. Thank you for the watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.